a crime to be born nuer? Is it a crime to call South Sudan our home? As I stand before you today, not just as a nuer, not just as a South Sudanese, but as a human being who believes in the rights of all people to live in dignity, to live in peace, to live free from the fear of violence and oppression. We could not allow this to continue. We could not let history repeat itself. The nuer people will not go quietly tonight. I will leave you with a poem written by Nyakumu, which reflects the pain, the hope, the resilience of our people. The call for justice, awakening of a nation. They call it a nation, but yet whom does it serve? A land full of riches, yet its people starve. They sit in the palaces, feast on gold, while the streets grow weary, hungry, and cold. Suitcases filled with stolen gains, they hoard the wealth, ignore the pains. Protected by wizards, by spells and deceit, clinging to power, refusing defeat. Long are the nights for the common soul, where sleep is mercy and escape from the toll. Oil flows out, but wealth never stays. It lies upon pockets of those who betray. Their words are sharp as a knife's steel blade, bringing ruin to the people who they swore to aid. Massive graves whisper promises broken, dreams cut short, and truths unspoken. They promise peace, but yet darkness creeps, silencing the voices that dare to speak. They promise election, but yet time drifts by, decrease in power in one man's eye. O youth, when will you rise? The cries of our liberators echoes in the sky. The fire they lit smolders within, waiting for the hands to ignite it again. Hear the call of liberty, hear the call of justice, hear the call of peace, hear the call of humanity. South Sudanese, Janubi, hear the call. The time for justice is now. The time for change is now. The time for peace is now. The time for our future is now. Thank you.
And at this moment, we will take a couple of minutes in silence to honor those who have fallen in our precious land. Thank you. We want to thank everyone who came out today to stand in solidarity with us as we are seeking justice in our home country. We want to thank all who acknowledge us along the way. We will continue this protest and we will not silence our voices until our voices are heard. We will take a step to make change happen and we will not back down. So I want to thank each and every one of you for standing for your country, standing for your people, and representing us proud. You guys are blessed. We are a blessed nation. We are a blessed people. As you go home, don't forget to talk to your peers, talk to your colleagues, talk to your workplaces, talk to your representatives about what's happening back home. Once again, I want to thank you all as the executive team members are here with me, and in honor of our president, we want to thank you guys. Have a beautiful and wonderful day. If you guys want to linger for 5 more minutes to do continuous chants, we will hear from Mama Nyakumemon. She will give us 2 minutes to just talk. But overall, if you need to leave, you can also go ahead.
Yandial, ko adoran saya dabsin, ador mogwa, don nuari, ador mogwa, dor sigade ti, tanda karulu me, sikana gurun wo, we can tiam go kwide. Chiloida test ko say yanen, yan managan, tinchi swang jogana ti. Chiloida test ko say yanen, yan managan, tinchi swang kelga gade ti. akon mala aya bude yan dial kwani kun dial kamin salat ko saban kalin kan namaraska ko na me chapan konsu ko na me sagat kon sagawang doli chilade te jumbur men chalat ko sakur miswang chajater ko korin sinde jumbur ter ajane ko agala wanka wadar ko fele ramade ben kade jumbur kasangdar ko sagat kon alat today the call on celebration ko men chalat kador sole nasir sidul mi sole jang se ajaro charo be sam kane so ko yare jumbur yan gani ci asa ko kido arame te jonge yo ko mala yo ko bi asar ko war kan sangdar ni sham karami sisar ko kido nuer men je tore do nuer se be men chara man mi se man changa do ko woni dial ta ko tan ko nuer kan kala ka kwado nuer amani sankel sin gade ti dalar en ko bi ko suon gade baba ndaw ka america rude dial tan dong tan ci do nuer ci ko jot bi ko yosef fakir ma yadi sin nei ko gor ka so sudan de jong ne yewo ga nuer tan ci suon kel ka so sudan do do tan mo ko na la do ko do peace sare ma sar sare yen cha ya duele kur ko do wori ma sar ba let go sal fakir ma yadi se ngajo gwawo tor mi swale nuar mi selare wo iri te tok ko kor no ko wo brol be nyon mi ko na lare wo brol nyon je wo je be yum nyon ngaje je wo ko nyan je ke ko kondian je jom no konan wo name la da jelle kon ko no continue ko wono ko Washington DC ko wo name ko kon chong amani mi sa ja lare wo tele ko be diwe nyoko so Sudan ko be sal ko ke ma yadi bara ni sa nyaade ajana de la wo sal ko ke ma yadi bara Sanyad, Salaka Wanda South Sudan. And thank you. Salva Kiir must go. Thank you. Salva Kiir must go. Salva Kiir must go. No more genocide. No more genocide. Free South Sudan. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. We appreciate each and every one of you standing with us. You didn't have to do this on a Friday. You could have been at work. You could have done anything else. But just like myself, I'm sure you're sick and tired of watching children burn alive with their mothers. The only way that we get to prosperity, the only way that we can help these people is by standing together, is being heard, is getting our government officials to see that there's a genocide happening to people who are civilians and have no weaponry. They are being killed by their own government. We can't do it alone. So we ask you, as our friends in America, to stand with us. Talk to your senators, get help. Thank you so much. I'm going to give it to one more elder to give us a minute. She's going to talk for a minute, and then, like I said, when we leave here, think of us, make the post, share post, be with us. Thank you.
ماله أنا بتكلم بعربي كلامي ده راجع لأساس sudanese في السودان يال الواقفين ده يال صغار أغلبية بتاعهم ولدوا هنا في أمريكا ده يال اللي قاعدين تقتلوا فوق كده كلام القروش ما بوصل لقدام مستقبل ده يال الصغار ديل واليال صغار اللي قاعدين تقتلوا في الجنوب ده كده دينكا كده جوبا كده ويقولوا يال بتاع أساس السودان أنا اسمي نيكان أنا ربيت في جوبا أنا ربيت في محلات ديل كله أنا بقيت زول كبير والحرب ده بدأ أنا كنت جنة صغير اليال الكتروا قريب ده يالنا ده ما يال بتاعنا الكتروا نايت واندا يا ويال بتاعنا لكن الكتروا 2013 ده يالنا يا جماعة فكر راسكم كلامي ده برجع لنوير في السودان البعيد حكومة بتاع سلفا كير ميادي ده حكومة صح لكن حكومة بقتل الناس ما بزول يعني ينفع صوت بتاعه عشان القتل ده ما كويس ده بنفع معكم عشان تقتلوا عيالكم بروج ده النهاية بتاعه بكون شنو؟ بروج ده النهاية بتاعه بكون موت ما بزول بمشي بساعدك فوقه مشكلتي مع السيد فقير مشكلتي مع هنا إلى ريق مشار أنا ما باين ما كله مليكين لكن الناس بتاع جنوب السودان انتوا حال السيد فقير مجاني وحال مول ميل اللي جبتوا ده يا أخي تجيب زول ما عمل ولا شهر كامل يقتل الناس وتقول قاعد يكون رئيس بتاع جنوب السودان شوف لنا زول الكويس وليت النوير اللي بكلم قاعد تمشي تحرق بالنوير ناصر ده حرقوه انا من ناصر لكن انا من على النيل حتى اي جنة من جيال بتاع على النيل كان قتلوه ولا كان حرقوه انا لسه بزعج ما كويس عليك وخلي ما يكون كويس عليك ما قاعدين نكورينا عشان ما لنا قدره لكن السودان اللي تجيب لنا يوغندا تجيب دولة تاني عشان يجي يقتل البلد بتاعك ده بكون رئيس وين ده رئيس وين ما تعالي بنفسك بحكومة بتاعك ما حكومة بتاع يوغندا كان يوغندا يطلع انتوا نوير في حكومة ما يوغندا بتاعكم الله ده واحد يشيلكم واحد حتى لو أخوي ذاته في حكومة ده يشيل واحد شكرا عليكم أنا اسمي كان
chơi ở nơi cái chuyện quan cả gạt cái gì qua đó mà liên cả mà liên đi à mà liên cả nuôi cái quan kia nuôi cái khe chỉ nói đó thế nè mẹ ra cái gì liên để cái nuôi vừa đã dàn co rúm cái chén à mẹ cái gì nó mới là thế cái chiếc cái loại gì cái chiếc cái chén nó mẹ là bút cho chơi qua là nuôi cái mà là nuôi cái qua đòn là nuôi Telekar kejuar, Ahmed, kurame jatera me dongan ka. Kieran chiga raja, loy na turn, kina ya pe. Chiga gadi ala raja ka video. Kien gay dia kien gur. Kur jatin ka kon manukun. Kur ba jatel dur ka yechu. Kon kur ka yechu. Ko ma shibene. Ajan goy modan. Kon dur bi shala nuer. Yan ay de biya gwite man cha la da ga America bu ko ne nga loka ci odize en man balar ya fa lan ko dia ko dor bu cha la wer kana te ko tar ko mi ba da je ko te ci do jok aka ko do jok ku ne loka ci odize e ku ma da ko ga je rai fa ko ka ci odize ko yan ga ti yan lok no ku me lu yan wan mi je won ma cha la selfie awaja ko tot pi kemudian kau tanya kau nuari, siapa tanya, jadi jani, ya kau lut, aduh nu wali siapa kau ni, siapa lut, kau tak aduh ni aja ke, siapa kamu nak ke, siapa yang ni kum, kaya liang kau ambil gula, jangan dapat itu, dia jadi terkur, gak kau tunggu, gak ada gang mana kan aku ni, ada ruang aja. Siapa yang wajah apa yang mati? Jalan lot. Biarkan tulis hier ke shot dia. Letak ke gambar ke wakum. Bapete kan ada di syara wale. Kan mana kau lari yang kau dia latih ke Amerika. Amerika tekan benda. Jangan korun ke you. Maka tekan mana kun. Kau makan waru kau makan day. Oh kau makan. Kaya jadi terkur. Kator. Mana kan wakau aruni. Kon mana wala ni kurang ni. Siap, ada yang depan dengan akor. Siap, kamu ada view dengan akor. Aja akor siapa? Jangan siapa mereka kita jodoh yang baik dah. Jangan ada dek. Jangan sampai agaknya agonya. Beda dengan kuat, pun mesti ada penyeduk. Lah kuat dia lah kasihan ya terbit. Bahkan agak pakar. Mesti ada yang macam kuat ya bet. Waktu guru tu, aku ni ada yang kecil ni. Kieran ci loy da te man ba ma da to loy da an ma ke be len ni tor be la wo jaar yak loy kwak yak fuk la de ka joti ko yak lo ba liya a tilpe kana ga wo fa wan bi ga jere ko ti kana ga je be shop ta ke de mi bum ta ke de mi lukom de je te ji yang ga na ta a wo wen ma cha lo wala a wo da wo gwar ga club a wo da wo gwar wen ma cha lo wo ja ada di sana. Pangkak, woi ya tuak, pangkak woi yang di. Aja woi mana, aja woi dah apa. yo we plan pe ne na we wo dara ma tie na me ku na yet ah ba ba ya mas 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 ba jo ko ko wale do ba jo ko ko wale quando no wa shina do ra ke ma ku na yela ke je ya do dia wo ba no ba dal je ba no la dor ba sha na wi de ko tie ko cham je tie ko nei la kwa ge yu en man ba la ri yen ji wen mon dia la ji wi dun ja yo ka lai bi tu pa le cham je ji ka cham je cha ka la no wal cha na pe cha na ko cham je cha na ga ni ko na cham ka na ri kun na bu ga ni ba thank you en cha jal ko dan ko ga je du na kun kon ye me je thank you ya le mer bu jo je ya kwa la na me yen ga no re tin bit online na man tin chi ben chuong an ta ala ri den barar to du linya point du ka dit ka tege amanu gwa ma do den di jogo ko ra me ko ne den ko nen chi bi chop tin chi mai dan be kan to kon ke riet me do ko na la ra no ne ku me South Sudan en la den ta me chi na lok ta lo ga ta lo ra mi di kon di al ko ro kon no yen point kun yen ga twara bit ti do goro roi ne ga class me ne ku your teacher lat men ki to ko ko le a me ke na me to me do ra no ba ga ba je bul ko wona na akel mi chi da me bet ka ye ngaji no na ne en da bra ka ke lu be bara be jen chara ma ke lu be ting yen ne ko na ta ka lin ke no wo mut yen re twele ka yen par yen ka ku ne no kun cha na an kana ngaji no da yen mi chi na mela no yen e tin ko na chi berar a jawdun a jarat de ye jogi a jawdun a jarat a jen de la chubit keep talking ko chukon kume salpa ker mayabi chukon agur ka sa Sudan kun sa Sudan na munan kon dial kon ne tin janang raw wijen bakel wida wan den tere dor sa Sudan tala dame de jogi bi barar kon dor mi chala nuer ken kot kon chak ba kon kamrare doran sa Sudan doran ka ban romain tin na man chanke de jogi chubit continue talking thank you.
Salva Kiir must go. Viva Nuer Kongwan. Viva Nuer. Uganda must go. Thank you. Male Nueri. Male Shabab. Andia mit bi, andia mit bilet rubier. Baga Denver, Colorado. Ko jen wajen ngai yana dong tatin. Kan ga dun ku ya represent ko kayi tenur pai ilatin wir changa wana me chana mari alaka cha gorun wo badil chowa piye ke ni na gertia cha choba ga mandan da ma che join men de la riya cha tuok ko cha tuok ku me South Sudan ti ko no go no more min bi ngai ne walle men cha la daga no ni ka Nasser a turning point. No more coming back. Enough is enough for the last 10 years. Kamelet ken. Chẳng mình cả ga được ken, mà nó ken mà chẳng ai nó giết cái. Anh la đi vô, nè mẹ cho con lụt, ok? Cho con lụt mua nó bạc bán rồi đáng rồi. Uống mình cho nó mà quay luyện, la rồi ngồi mà bốc cái nát rồi. Đi ô cái này nó con chả được cún. Ta đô la rồi nè gạt, yani gạt đực, mà quý luyện bây giờ, mà quý luyện, có cháu luyện đi cái gì nước này, bà gạt ra này giờ, có nè mình nuôi nước có đi chia cam, ra này cái nuôi, so thơm yani nó con trên cam cái muốn chỉ nộp, including mà quý luyện, I mean, bây giờ cái này mẹ, bây giờ nó. Tell me, Nuer Kongwan are merging. No more silent. Ko chane kirkur, chagad kutu ganak indunang well. We need to pay back. So man dia ngaji tell me, and oh chika kuare chimalgur, chika na kul lakwad ni and humiliate na kwalet ke je tell me. Chia mago along. And the world is watching. That's why we are here today, right? Wouldn't we cry, Kamal? Tell me, Kamal, look. Ring my chat and Durban Ram look at. Coach, I'm in Lada, look. Kanaga go, Jode. Man go come. Yenda, no, reality, don't care. Go, tie the people Nagbang, don't dance go dependent on. Land Norman after a big yantin. Mendela, yet, throw it together, Tabaro can, Kaga Nori, Tiga care. Nor go on to care you. Yet need unity in the graduate in the care. Please, go na memo go no buogwa. God damn, we about our chakalar can on a may immediate. Oh, young tonke, no, and no jelke.
Yes.
Jim got no other, which is no yo. Well, lie, blue, can you rocket? Contown one, tell a liam belia, tell a mibel look at Colmia Bogato. Met young night, or tell them a new energy when you go about right a link, or you can talk with Yeto. Me, Yanibina, no, in a Yandara. Yenda no land, no jam banking. And no more red line. From now on, now there is free, God get free, and no more chemical from Uganda. Now there is free now. Mindela Yenda Konishibar, Roy Nika Parendu, Roy Nika lawyer, and Oga another Gorgon, Gorgon Quinn, Gorgon Pew, Gorgon one, Gorgon everything. The Majende come yellow missing, come while a kitchen, Togan Kamayana Lade. And then you will you come on in your millet corner to Washington, D.C. Millet corner may allow down the go, but you get to Martin Luther King. Oh, can't tell me I do. Wait, when you are taught to that, we are doing. You can't get taught to that, and we are doing. Would you look on? Okay? Again, you were there all right from Kir to Malong to whatever. No. Okay? Chalari no. Okay? Then from Chanyade to Mude, Walai Bargadel, Young Bargadeli, Yajamana stop. For a minute, okay, Yen Mir to the Lord. The Yen Mir to the Lord, the get to South Sudan. Take a match at a young dear, to no young no pong. Young Amila walk, that's it. Okay? No Michigan, upon young girl, look at the man. All right? I didn't put a lot of time in gang, million yen of Nuara. Look at Nori, the Nordian Jogo, Normatica, you not know what go here. Okay? Go again, Jam, tell me, Jam with the one. Go to the bottom of the yen. You look, Jacka with it, Jacka, Jacka Nuara. One Nuara, Ring Nuara, Jam Nuara, you can bring them up here. What I got that with the victim. Huh? What's wrong with this? Which is Nuer, which is not Kabra. They can get in there, Katum. Allow a boy that are Baba and Metin, and then which you feel Bamu, can I eat them? Okay, Mende Laria. Tell our God the term. Any Jamula Wallum, Mende Laria and God, what you have to get him money. Believe, then it's okay, no jacket, you want it, not your man. You know it's a bomb, okay? Would you let my Charamo? Tell me, Jimmy. Okay? You go, take the call, let's go. We can get I go, Mobako. That's why there is no more teeth, there is no more smart.
Yes.
For killing, no. We need to pay back. Thank you, but my camera here. Yalla kel ga way nuara, 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 yalla kel ga way nuara. I would like to thank the media to cover this event because they will express the news and they will tell the reality of this event. Thank you. Second, I would really want to thank you again. The youth, the non-youth, you show up because
the country, South Sudan, that your grandpa, your dad, and your ancestors fought for or been there is for you. This flag right here is created by nuer person. This South Sudan flag. And the movement where now we are enjoying it as a South Sudan, as a sovereign country, is the nuer people who start the movement. This is reality. Dr. John Garang himself acknowledged that before his death. Ominyanya too. And those who say South Sudan must be South Sudan were nuer people, starting from Bosbio, Vanga. They came to Gordon Council. When Garang came as a South Sudanese, as a Dinka, he found movement were already started by nuer. This is true. A true story that cannot be denied. And I would like you to know, that's why I have to bring this up. So, we have to stand for our people. I would really repeat it 100 times. I'm really very happy and glad to see you, young people. The country of South Sudan belongs to you. And you must demonstrate like you are doing it here. Nuer will never go anywhere. Nuer are powerful people. Nuer fought and their blood shedded for South Sudan independence. For South Sudan to be a nation, Dr. Dengwechar fought and correct Dr. John Garang, because Garang was for the entire Sudan, a mission that would not be accomplished. But Dr. Dengwechar said, now, we have to have South Sudan. And we have it. So let nobody else tell you right, or somebody can also try to push you away from the nation because they get a chance. You are the rightful person, or you are the rightful people of South Sudan. South Sudan belongs to you. South Sudan belongs to your people. To Denka, or the government of South Sudan, who is led by Denka, from the top always, they are the ones who are now deciding everything. The arrest of all those opposition leaders, including Dr. Dengwechar, is arrested. Why? Because they are nuer. So, let's fight the war. Let's fight the war that kill our children, our women, our innocent nuer people. You have a place in South Sudan and you must fight for your right. And we will prevail. Thank you.
Stop the genocide! 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 Salva Kiir must go! Salva Kiir must go! Salva Kiir must go! Salva Kiir must go! Stop the genocide! Stop the genocide! Stop the genocide! Salva Kiir must go! Salva Kiir must go! Wow, thank you so much. Chat Allah Jadid. Sorry, just stay away. And then I had a a meeting get lawyer, so it took a little bit of time. Then I thought this was the only day. Then they scheduled. They missed the other day, coach. Right here, Senate that day. So Chiloy the Ted, Ned Yellen, Chibano Chiloy the Ted, seeing of the young people who have been young, the Chairman kid. Now, like I said earlier, this is not the last demonstration. We're going to have a meeting tomorrow, so we could speak on the next date. And we're going to go to Washington, D.C. We're going to go to New York City. All of this needs to be heard. These people need to go to ICC and be prosecuted. Every day. She can't choose. She can't choose. So a lot of no the nature Lloyd that tell go she happen. Then man you go jiganyok. The rule me to go Omaha, Nebraska. We have been go Bannerman to a meeting. And all of the young people here today, I want to tell you, May 31st, we're going to have a nuer intervention conference. So we could talk about the suicides. So we talk about the gun violence. So we talk about the drugs. So we talk about alcoholism. So we talk about everything that is also killing us here. We haven't forgot about you. So Chiloy the tell the time. Allah bukon jal gamal. Bukon yoko jim soon. Thank you so much to everybody that came out. The meeting Sunday. The location of the meeting, ma'am.
So the meeting is at Village Empowerment Center. The address will be posted online on Duck's page. So if you are wanting to join us that day, the meeting itself will start at noon, but we might have a gap period. So from noon to 1 o'clock is when people will start arriving, and we will be there till about 9. We have a lot to discuss.